alien train. The spaceman doesn't fool me. I know it is the train. And it is a spaceman, an attempted invasion of Earth. But I will not allow it. I am stopping it at this moment. The alien train will turn, and I will save the world from destruction. It's a UFO coming. I don't know. It seems like if it keeps coming and I keep standing here, there's going to be a situation, Pilgrim. But I will not fail. I am going to defy the alien train and turn the spaceman back in his attempts to invade the world. I am not scared. The alien train comes. I will stand my ground. The spaceman does not fool me. This is the mother of all standoffs. You can tell the alien train is coming. And I will stay and defend the world. Come on. Come on, make my day. Make my day. You will not scare me. I will stand here and fight to the finish for the world. The Earth as we know it. The alien train comes. It attacks. Come. It is turning. It is running from me. The alien train. Woo! Run from me! I have defeated you. I have saved the world. The alien train departs, and the spacemen return to their miserable planets outside of our galaxy. You did not fool me. And I defeated you. Yeah, sometimes I think I may miss this spaceman. Oh, there's so many of them. I like the round ones in the back here. Bye-bye, train. Bye-bye, train. Oh, there's a noisy one. Speeds up as it flees from me. Bye-bye, train. Oh, sometimes I think I miss you. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye train.